Good morning everybody, how you going? This is my last job for the year. I know it's only early September, but I'm having my shoulder operation. The colour that I'm going to do, I'm actually just doing this like studio. So 3 coats on the ceiling, spray and roll first coat. Now this colour is called Pink Gin. Got our feature wall and we're going to get a nice straight line. Now I'm just using normal tape, it's washi tape. So the trouble is when we paint this here and we paint over towards the tape, because we've taped that up, we're going to get a bleed from this pink into this wall colour here. So to get away with that, it's the same method I use on my steps. We actually run a brush of paint, this colour on this side of the tape. Now if we were to paint that pink, unless we use expensive tape, this is not that expensive, this tape. And by doing it this way, we don't have to buy any expensive tape. So we're basically recycling. Now this is this colour here, this wall colour here. So we're just going to go along and we're just going to fill that there. And what that does, it stops that pink from soaking in to that colour. Now there is tape that actually supposedly, you know, probably 12, 13 bucks a roll. Well, this is only a $5, $6 a roll tape, and which I use all the time. But now that's how you get a nice straight line when you're doing your feature walls. There you go, another helpful tip from the painter. So let's pull a bit of tape up here. You don't want to leave it too long, maybe. 10 minutes, just enough for it to dry. All these blues